Listen to that. It's crazy how quiet it is. Need to get it tuned already. I honestly think my spark plugs is probably bad already. I don't know why it's idling like that. It's like lean. It's acting weird right now. Alright, so the car is acting really responsive right now. Like, oh, what the heck? I swear to God, I just revved it and that was like boom, boom. Now it's acting weird. What the heck? That was weird. Not gonna throw the filter back on yet. Go ahead and start the car. I'm probably gonna have to adjust that throttle cable some more. But let's see what we got. Let it prime. I don't know why that's playing right now. Alright. Just had to stop recording and start again because it was playing some freaking Wu-Tang Clan. Oh, it was more responsive though. I think, actually, I don't know why it would have cut off, to be honest. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know why it would cut off like that from me revving. Oh, you know what? Before it was doing that and I had to adjust my throttle cable. That's where I wanted to idle right there. But I know that it's just doing that right now because it feels like it. Let's see where this is at. See, this right here, how it's running, is like basically perfect. This is how I want it to be. The throttle was nice and responsive that last time I revved it too. Yeah, I don't know why it's cutting off like that. That's kind of weird. Let me see. Everything looks normal. So I'm thinking, you know, that's why it sounds like it has a vacuum leak. That's just the sound of the intake. Oh no, what the hell was that? Alright, so I got S300 connected now. And I see that it says the TPS is at 6% now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that. But I still don't think it should be cutting off. But let me go ahead and cut the car off. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is come in here and go to I want to idle. Go to TPS. I'm gonna read it now. It didn't even change. Hold on, let me make sure. Alright. Okay, it says it's at, oh, I wasn't even showing you. It's at 3% now with my foot not on the pedal. It's full throttle. Dang, it say 110% on there. But on there it say 92%, so that's fine. I don't know why it sounds like that when I hit full throttle. But I'll say 91. So yeah, so that means that my throttle body is not opening up all the way. It's okay. I'm like, why is it saying 60? My foot ain't even on the pedal because I was clicking the max. All right, and I'm gonna click the minimum again. 3.63. So yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust it some because this is saying it's at 6% throttle already, and that's not right. So yeah. Alright, I'm pissed because, first of all, why do this still say 15.9? I done already cut the car off and cut it back on. But I'm pissed because this crap still say 6% with my, when I got the TPS adjusted as low as I can make it. So, let me see real quick. Yeah, it still say 6%, so, let me see. 315 now. Full throttle. 90%. This crap straight up say 108%. Let me see. So what I'm gonna try and see is if I can adjust the throttle cable. But I don't think it's holding the intake open at all. So that's probably not gonna do nothing. Yeah, this just keeps saying 15.9. That's weird. So even with my throttle cable, as loose as it can be, it's at 5%. Let me see what this say. It says 2.78%. So, man, I don't know. So that's what I wanted right there. Let me see. In between 8 and 900. Let's see. Alright, see now my throttle cable's getting stuck. Alright, so I think I got it all dialed in. My idle was at 1,000. This is right at 14.7. And let's see. See that idle's good. TPS is at 3%. I had to take TPS off and readjust it and all of that. What's this called? And then I'll show y'all. I have to take this off and move it. Take the wheel off, move it back to turn to get this throttle cable where I wanted it to be. And then I adjusted this, which is that's how you adjust the idle. And then the spring on there, I thought it was already at the tightest setting, but it wasn't, so I took it off and I moved it to the tightest setting. So now the throttle doesn't stick anymore, at least I think. You can see. Yeah, no, see, that's good. Feels good too. Yeah, the car feels normal now. So that's good. It's perfect. Right where I want it to be. So now, just, gotta take it to a tuner. Alright, so real quick, I know it's dark up in here, but it's all good. Just wanted to point out, like I was saying in that last video, was with this wheel, I adjusted it to where my throttle cable is lower in there. Let me cut on my flash real quick. Alright, so I adjusted it where my throttle cable was lower in there, and I also tightened the spring in here, so my throttle was like, it's tighter now. And so now it don't stick no more. It's on the tightest setting. It's on the tightest that it can possibly be. If I had it on the other setting, it would stick open. Obviously my car ain't on right now, so you ain't gonna be able to hear it, but basically, oh, also, come on. My freaking wideband took a crap on me. Yeah, this feels perfect. This is exactly how I want the throttle to feel. So yeah, as I was saying, since I made it tighter, this is actually a little bit tighter now too, and this is exactly how I want the throttle to feel. So that all works out. I need to replace the sensor on my wideband because that took a crap on me. I'll probably have to show y'all tomorrow because it's dark outside right now, and I don't feel like opening the garage and cutting the car on and all that. What else? Oh, also, I didn't know that when you have an S300, when you go to calibrate this, I didn't know that when you did the reading on the S300 that was actually how you calibrated it. I thought that you still had to come in here and calibrate it manually, which you don't. Not necessarily. I did have to adjust it to get, you know, the lowest percentage that I can get on the S300. So I can get like, I remember, I think the last time I checked it was on like 3% or something like that. So yeah, that's why, because, you know, you still have to adjust it mechanically for that. But yeah, that's all. Everything should be straight now as far as that goes. So this is good now. TPS is good. Basically everything, I just have to replace the sensor on my wideband now because that freaking took a crap on me. And what else? That's basically it. Intake and a tune. That's what we need. And of course, like spark plugs, but you know, that's a given. We've been running a car with no tune, so it's been getting stupid fuel just dumped in there. So yeah, of course that has to be done. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, that's basically it. As far as getting it on the road again, I think I have like a light in the rear that I need to replace, as well as what else? I still need a smog. Y'all know how that go in California. I have not seen that radiator leak again since that first time, and I'm pretty sure it was that hose now. Yeah, that's basically it. The guy who was gonna send me a base map did tell me that I should run a 3-inch exhaust instead of a 2.5-inch. I don't know. We don't have money for that, so possibly when I go to get it tuned, I may just have them tune it open header and just disconnect the test pipe or whatever. Yeah, that's basically it, man. The car should be ready to go. Shouldn't have no type of issues when we go to the tuner. It should just be they connect their computer to it, throw it on a dyno, you know, change the spark plugs, adjust the timing, and then it should be a go from there. Should have no other issues as far as I know. I think I've got everything sorted out. So yeah. Yep, that's basically it, y'all. The car's ready. I don't know why it's blurry, but yeah, the car's ready for a tune now.